Hi guys, I'm Jessica Harlow. Today I'm going to show you a really fun sequin eye look. It's perfect for special occasions. Let's get started. So I'm going to start out with a nice kind of like teal shade. It's going to be pretty close to whatever sequin color I'm doing. So I'm just going in with a fluffy brush and just patting the color on first on my lids just to kind of place it. Just get a wash of color all over the lid. And I like to kind of tilt my head back and place the shadow on just so it kind of helps to prevent fallout. And then once you've got the product on the lid, then you can start doing a little bit of like the windshield wiper motions, small circles, just to kind of blend out the edges a bit. And try to get the bristles in close to your lash line, just so that way you don't have any skin peeking through. I would take a clean eyeshadow brush and just blend the edges out a little bit. So then as far as the sequins go, you can get as creative as you like. To attach them, you want to use an eyelash glue. I like to go for something that's clear. Start out on this eye. Just gonna add a tiny little dot of glue. I really like the glues that have like a little bit of a brush to them. So a little dot and then attach your sequin. And then you build out from there. I'm gonna use my fingers. You could use a tweezer. You can even overlap some of the sequins if you want. That's not really a big deal. Look how that's shining. And you really don't need a lot of glue. Like the tiniest little drop is all you need, like literally next to nothing. Because the sequins aren't heavy. You can always press your finger and kind of like open your lid a little. And that helps you place them. Make sure they're laying right. So I'm actually gonna go in to some of the gaps with a little bit of glitter. It's pretty much clear, but it does have a few little glitters in it where it's like kind of green, so it sort of matches up with teal very nicely. So right now I'm going to go in with a white eyeliner pencil in my waterline. It's going to really help to open up the eyes, make it all kind of look a little bit more doll-like. I'm going to go ahead and draw little like fake eyelashes on my lower lash line. Really simple, just take a black liquid eyeliner with a nice tip to it so you can get some detail in. And tilt your head like this. So that way you can flatten this area here so you can draw on it right. Get up under your natural lashes and just lightly start creating little, like you're drawing lashes. So then you can just finish up the rest of your look, put on a lipstick that you like, whatever you want to do really. So you see how sparkly this is? Like you get all of that reflection, it looks like little mirrors. When the light hits it, this is gorgeous. Like as you're moving your head, I'm like mesmerized. So I hope you really like that sequin eye look. Don't forget to use the hashtag #SetToSparkle to show us your fun look. I can't wait to show you something really fun next week. Bye.